Imagine waking up tomorrow. No alarm, no stress. No boss breathing down your neck. You grab your phone and see money coming in. Not from your 9-to-5 job, not from some side hustle you started last week, but from systems you built years ago. Maybe it's from your investments, maybe from a digital product, maybe rental income. Whatever it is, the money flows automatically. This is called financial freedom. And here's the crazy part, you can get there too. Yes, even if you're starting from zero today. Even if you feel like your bank account is a joke, even if you feel stuck. The difference between people who stay broke and people who build wealth isn't talent. It's strategy, consistency, and mindset. Before we dive deep, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Trust me, the strategies I'm about to share could completely change the way you think about money and your future. Hi, I'm Cabin, and I used to live paycheck to paycheck. I remember staring at my bank account at the end of every month, feeling a mix of frustration, fear, and helplessness. One month I had bills to pay and only a few hundred rupees left in my account. I asked myself, is this my life? Just working, stressing, surviving? I wanted more, not just money, but freedom. Freedom to travel, to learn, to live life on my own terms. So I started learning everything I could about money. I read books on investing, watched endless YouTube videos, and even spoke to people who had already achieved financial freedom. At first, it felt overwhelming. There were too many options: stocks, crypto, real estate, online businesses. I made mistakes, yes. I lost money, I doubted myself, but slowly, step by step, I started to build a foundation. Here's the truth, most people never do this. They watch motivational videos, feel inspired for 5 minutes, and then scroll TikTok. Don't be like them, take action today. And if you haven't already, subscribe now, because this channel will guide you through every step to financial freedom, no matter your starting point. Before you can build wealth, you need to understand money. First, money is a tool, not a goal. Many people chase money thinking it will solve their problems. It won't. Money doesn't make you happy, it gives you options, freedom, security. Second, time is more valuable than money. Every hour you trade for money is an hour you can never get back. Millionaires understand this, that's why they work smart, not just hard. Third, most people have a broken money mindset. They think, if I work more, I'll earn more. That's only true to a point. True wealth comes from building systems, leveraging assets, and investing wisely. Think about it. If you worked 40 years in a 9-to-5 and saved 10% of your income, you might retire with some savings. But if you invested that same money or created passive income streams, you could retire decades earlier, or even in your 30s or 40s. Let's break it down. Saving $500 a month for 20 years without investing gives you around $120,000. Investing $500 a month at 10% annual growth for 20 years gives you over $300,000. See the difference? The system matters more than just effort, and here's a key insight. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it and growing it. This is the mindset of every financially free person. And if you want to learn exactly how to think like this every day, make sure you subscribe now. Let me tell you about something magical: compound interest. Imagine you invest $100 today. With a 10% annual growth, in 10 years it becomes $159, in 20 years $672, in 30 years $1,744. Now imagine increasing your investment each month. Even small amounts matter more than you think. Here's a real example. My friend Suman started investing $50 a month at age 20. By age 40, he had over $100,000. Meanwhile, I waited until 25 to start. And it took me longer to reach the same amount. Lesson: time is your superpower. Start as early as possible, no matter how small the amount. Compound interest works like magic, but it needs 3 things: consistency, Invest every month. Time, don't wait. Start now. Patience, the market will fluctuate. Don't panic. Most people wait for a perfect moment to start investing. Don't. Start today. Even $5 matters. And if you want me to show you the exact investment strategy I use to grow my wealth, this part alone can save you years of mistakes. Relying on one source of income is dangerous. Most millionaires have at least 3 income streams. Active income, your job or business, investments, stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate. Side hustles or digital products, create once, earn repeatedly. Let me give you an example. I started a small online course while still working full-time. After a year, it was earning me more than my main salary, and it didn't require daily effort. Another example, my friend Anisha bought a small apartment and started renting it out. At first, she was scared. What if no one rents it? What if the market crashes? Today, the rental income covers her monthly expenses and the property appreciates every year. Multiple income streams are key to financial freedom. They protect you from uncertainty, give you leverage, and accelerate growth. Here's a secret most people don't know. You don't need to be rich to start. Even small income streams, when combined, can multiply your wealth over time. Many people think saving alone is enough. Saving $100 a month in a normal account won't make you rich. You need to invest wisely. Options include stocks and ETFs, best for long-term growth. Real estate generates steady rental income. Digital products, online businesses, low cost, high upside. Pro tip: never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify and don't blindly chase trends. Invest in what you understand. Here's an example. One of my viewers invested in a trending crypto without understanding it. He lost 40% in a month. Meanwhile, another friend invested in low-cost ETFs, kept adding every month, and earned 10 to 12% annually without stress. Investing isn't about luck, it's about strategy, patience, and discipline. Money alone is useless without the right mindset. Here are 5 habits of financially free people. Invest in yourself daily, read, learn, improve your skills. Knowledge compounds faster than money. Control your expenses. Budgeting isn't boring, it's freedom. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Act fast, think long-term. Opportunities favor action takers, but true wealth is built slowly. Embrace failure. Every mistake is a lesson. Every loss is experience. Surround yourself with the right people. Your circle shapes your mindset. Choose wisely. Here's the truth, you don't need to be rich to think like the rich. Start small. Start now. Let's get practical. Here's what you can do today. Open a brokerage account. Invest your first $50, $100 in an index fund. Start a small side hustle. Track your expenses for 30 days. Read at least one finance book this month. Remember, action compounds like money. One small step today can create massive results in the future. Most people wait for the perfect moment. Don't. Start now. The moment you take action, momentum begins. And if you want my complete blueprint for first 12 months of building wealth, most people watch videos like this, feel motivated for a few minutes, and then do nothing. Don't be like them. Take action. Even if small. Open a savings account, invest $10 in a low-cost ETF, start your first digital project. Your future depends on what you do today. Imagine looking back in 1 year. Would you wish you started or be proud you did? Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. It's not luck, it's strategy, patience, and consistency. And if you want to continue this journey with me, subscribe now and join our community of future millionaires. You'll get step-by-step strategies, motivation, and actionable advice every week. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what your first action will be. Remember, financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky, it's for those who take action, learn, and stay consistent. The first step may feel small, but it compounds. Take one small action today and watch how your life changes over time. If you're ready to transform your financial future, subscribe now and let's make it happen together. This channel will guide you, step by step, to the freedom you deserve.